Hey guys, what's up? Jamaal here. I am a coach and I also run a digital marketing agency out in London. And I just want to share quickly what I think about working with Vishnu. And let me tell you guys, this guy is a wizard, right? He is a wizard, man. Like, I was having trouble selling courses, right, for a client of mine actually. And there was just like a few things I just couldn't figure out, like with the retargeting. There were a few issues I was having, and I just felt kind of stuck, right? I'd taken a bunch of courses, and even though I was learning and implementing, right, things just weren't working for some reason. So I hit a wall, literally, like I hit a wall, and I came across Vishnu in a group, and I just reached out and asked for help, and he was kind enough to help, right? So we hopped on a call, and guys, literally everything Vishnu shared in like 1 hour, of a call was so much more valuable than anything I've taken from any course so far, right? It was actionable. It was easy to understand. Like, Vishnu is a cool guy, super kind, super patient, right? And he just really helped me to really figure out what it is I need to do. And he shared a lot of resources. And overall, like, I feel, I don't know if you can tell, but like, I feel a lot more confident, like excited to implement stuff that he told me. And I just feel wicked. So look, guys, if you're having any issues with Facebook ads or like getting your courses out there, anything at all, definitely hit up Vishnu. You guys won't regret it at all. He's an amazing guy, absolutely amazing guy, super knowledgeable. So yeah, Vishnu, man, peace and love, bro. Much love to you. Thank you.